Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing GoDaddy Website Builder, which is a simple and beginner-friendly tool for creating websites. But before we begin, make sure you check out the link in the description to explore GoDaddy's Website Builder and see if it is right for you. So what is GoDaddy Website Builder? So as the name suggests, GoDaddy Website Builder is a drag and drop tool that is designed for small businesses, bloggers and entrepreneurs who want to build a website without coding. It comes with AI powered design tools, built-in marketing features and e-commerce support. So if I talk about the pros, so as you can see from the interface, that the interface is very easy to use. You just have to simply drag and drop the templates here and there, and you will be able to easily build your customized website. There is no technical skills required in it. You will also get the designs that are actually AI powered. It will help you to quickly generate the template based on your business style. You will also get the built-in SEO and marketing tools that will help you improve your search rankings, and it will also help you in growing your audience. If we talk about the support, so GoDaddy's support is best. You can sell your products online with integrated payment options, so they will also provide you the e-commerce support. If I talk about the cons, so the only con that I found with GoDaddy Website Builder is that you will get limited customization option. So there is it is not as flexible as the WordPress and or Wix, but all in all, it is good if you are a beginner and if you want to try any website builder. So if you need a quick and hassle-free way to build a website, GoDaddy Website Builder is a great option. As I said earlier, it is beginner-friendly. It offers essential business tools and it also supports e-commerce, making it perfect for small businesses and personal websites. So if you want to get started with GoDaddy Website Builder, you can just use the discount link in the description. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.